A breaker that trips immediately when you call for air handler operation usually means a serious electrical fault that needs a focused diagnostic approach. Start at the load side by isolating the air handler from the circuit to determine whether the fault is inside the unit or in the branch wiring. With power off and proper lockout tagout, visually inspect the air handler for burned insulation, loose wire nut connections, and evidence of rodent or mechanical damage that can cause a direct short. Use a clamp meter on the energized circuit while calling for the air handler to see if inrush current is abnormally high compared to the motor nameplate locked rotor amperage, which points toward internally shorted blower windings or a mechanically seized motor. If you have an insulation resistance tester, measure motor winding to ground and winding to winding resistances with the motor isolated. Very low megohm readings indicate winding shorts and require motor rewind or replacement. Check the contactor and control wiring for welded contacts or bridge terminals that can short the line when the contactor pulls in. Finally, systematically reconnect the circuit in stages after repairs so you can identify at which connection a fault reappears. Common mistakes include assuming the breaker is bad because it trips quickly, which wastes time replacing protective devices instead of finding the root cause. So always verify with current measurements before swapping the breaker. Another frequent error is neglecting to fully isolate the motor and test windings independently. So remove load connections and perform megohm and ohm test to confirm internal shorts before condemning wiring. Technicians often forget to inspect the entire branch circuit for nicks, pinches, or staples that can contact the conductor, so trace the cable path and repair any damaged sections rather than only focusing inside the air handler. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can diagnose and repair these kinds of electrical and HVAC faults, and we make it easy for homeowners to compare profiles and read community discussions about similar issues. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where peers and homeowners exchange troubleshooting tips and real-world repair experiences.